Hello everyone, Vaughn Marie here and welcome to the Cat Scrappiness YouTube channel. I'm kicking off the hop today and it is a hashtag driven hop and it is hashtag KS Merry Grinchmas, and you can put that in the search and you can see everyone hopping today, but just in case that doesn't work, I will have everyone hopping down below. We have a huge holiday winter release, so stay tuned for lots of fun hops featuring different products from the new releases. This is also leading up to our free virtual retreat on December 3rd, which is so exciting. You can also register for that retreat down in the description down below. Check out all the videos on the hop today for some fun inspiration from the KS Creative Crew and enter to win a $25 gift certificate. The winner will be announced on October 26th. And you can see if you are our lucky winner visiting the Cat Scrappiness YouTube channel. Also, we have an Instagram hop where you can win there too. The projects that I have been showing are from our KS social media team. And so make sure and be subscribed to our newsletter and also fill out the Rafflecopter form. And I hope you enjoyed hopping today. Thank you for joining me today and have a wonderful day.